Our busy toddler. Careful. Bless you.
Hi. Thank you.
Bless you. Hi, attack monster. Where are you going? With my watch. I'll take it. Thank you. Go get the doggy. Where's your doggy? He's not in there. Bless you.
Hi.
Where's your doggy? Go get doggy. You don't know where he is? He's over here. Go get him. Bless you.